Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are an Angular developer, then this question is very important for you. Here we will learn about the Angular async pipe internal working and we will see why we should avoid the manual subscription. Have you ever noticed that senior developers rarely write dot subscribe inside components? But why? Is writing dot subscribe actually bad? The answer is not always. The real problem is what happened if you just forgot to unsubscribe it. So in this video I will show you why the async pipe is one of the Angular's most powerful features and how it works internally and why interviewer love asking about it. Let's start with the normal way. Most beginners write Angular code. Inside ng on init we subscribe to an observable. When data comes back, we store it inside a variable, and the variable is here these dot users. Okay, everything works perfectly. So where is the problem? The problem appears when this component is destroyed. Let's understand the flow. Imagine the user opens the page. The component subscribe to the observable. Now the user leaves the page. Angular destroy the component, but the subscription is still alive. That means the observable is still sending the data. Since something is still listening, JavaScript cannot completely remove this component from the memory, and this is called a memory leak. To fix this manually, we need to store the subscription, then implement ng on destroy, and finally call unsubscribe method. This works, but imagine doing this in every component. It's very repetitive and it's very easy to forget, and that is why we use the async pipe. Okay, so now let's see how this works. So instead of subscribing in TypeScript, we simply store the observable. Notice we are not calling dot subscribe. Then inside HTML we just use the async pipe. That's all. The code becomes much cleaner. So what is Angular doing internally? Let's see. When this component appears on the screen, the async pipe automatically subscribes to the observable. You don't have to write dot subscribe. Then when the component is destroyed, Angular automatically calls unsubscribe. Again, you don't have to write any cleanup code. Everything is handled automatically. So remember, if any interviewer will ask, why should we use the async pipe? So your answer should be like this. The async pipe automatically subscribe to an observable when the component is created, and it automatically unsubscribe when the component is destroyed. This prevents memory leaks, reduce boilerplate code, and works efficiently with on-push change detection. That is why like every senior developer recommended to use the sync pipe whenever it is possible. If you like this video and like my content, so please subscribe to my channel, share it, and comment down your thoughts. Thank you so much. Bye bye.